The nucleus is where important information such as DNA and RNA is stored. This is similar to a library because all the important knowledge comes from the library, which is available for students to learn and increase their knowledge. The nucleolus produces ribosomal subunits which create proteins that help the cell function. This is similar to the administration building because without the school administrators and counselors, the school would not be able to run smoothly and efficiently.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for lipid production in the cell. It is also responsible for transport of materials across the cell. This can be compared to a school hallway because this transports students across the school so they can go to their classes. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is mainly used for transport of materials across the cell. This can be compared to a school hallway because the hallway is responsible for transporting students across the school so they can go to their classes.
The Golgi apparatus is an organelle in the cell that packages and ships finished products from the endoplasmic reticulum to other parts of the cell. This can be similar to the student drop-off area because the cars are like the packages that drop off the students to their classroom. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell because it breaks down ATP, which is a key component of energy for the cell. This is similar to the solar panels because it provides energy for the school throughout the day.
The chloroplast is where photosynthesis takes place in the cell, so glucose can be produced and used as energy by the cell. This can be compared to the cafeteria because this provides food that gives energy to the students so they may function in the school. The vacuole is a circular object that stores food and energy for the cell, and you can connect that to the library because the library stores information and books for the school just like the vacuole.
The lysosome breaks down harmful substances in the cell and contains digestive enzymes, and this is similar to a trash can because it removes waste that is harmful and dirty to the school.
The cytoskeleton is responsible for moving proteins across the cell, but it is also mainly used for structure in the cell, and this can be compared to walls of a school because the walls are essential for the school to be well structured. And the centriole is responsible for developing spindle fibers for cell division. This can be compared to a classroom because the classroom produces knowledge that the students can use and spread the knowledge outside of the school, which can be compared to cell division.
The cell membrane regulates what goes in and out of the cell and allows certain things to get in. This is similar to a gate because it keeps people who don't go to the school out and lets the students in.
We decided to vote off the vacuoles off of the island because the main function of the vacuoles are to provide the cell with support and structure and storage, and we believe that these functions can already be found in other organelles such as the Golgi apparatus for storage or the cytoskeleton for structure. So since the vacuole shares many functions with other organelles, we decided that it was the least useful and needed to be kicked off the island.